Are you tired of your edges playing hide and seek? Do you want thicker, juicier, fussy hair that actually grows instead of just snapping off? Because today I'm giving you the ultimate blueprint. Alright, let's meet the VIP lineup for this hair growth magic. First up, we have the neem leaves, we have the hibiscus, we have the moringa, we have the fenugreek seeds, we have the rosemary, and we have our oils. Starting up the natural oil, the black castor oil, coconut oil, avocado oil, olive oil. All those are going to be our oils. Our base oil is going to be the avocado oil, so we'll add 50 ml of that, the homemade avocado oil, and the one that I had gotten from the shop. But I later realized that I thought it was not enough and I added more 20 ml. You will be seeing that. Next up is the olive oil. We add 10 ml, which is similar to 1 tablespoon. Then of course my favorite, the coconut oil. Again, we add 1 tablespoon, that is 10 ml of the same. We're now adding some bit of black castor, the thick black castor. We're just adding a teaspoon, just 5 ml of that. Last but not least, we add our natural hair growth oil, which is basically an essential oil. I love the smell. We are adding only 5 ml for the same, and then we mix everything up. Some benefits of using the avocado oil, olive, coconut, and black castor oil is that it helps moisturize your hair, it nourishes and strengthens your hair, while improving the softness, the shine, and the scalp health. So if you have issues with your scalp, the itchiness, these oils are really good and can help reduce itchiness as well. So together they help reduce the breakage and support healthier growth over time. Now for the most satisfying part, let's add the herbs. First up is the fenugreek seeds. We add 1 tablespoon of that, and then we just do a light mix of the same. Next up, the gorgeous hibiscus. Oh my god, look at the color. It's so beautiful even as you mix it up. Already loving the color, and then I'm adding the mighty moringa. This gives you thick hair, guys. Next up, we add our neem leaves. It's often used for dandruffs, itchy scalp, and reducing that scalp buildup. So it will help you strengthen your hair from the roots. And drum rolls, last but not least, the rosemary. I love rosemary. So yeah, we mix everything up, ensure that every single herb is fully mixed up with our oils. And look at that aesthetic already. It's barely a minute and it's already looking so rich and premium. Honestly, consistency with Ayurvedic oil completely changed the game for my edges. If you're already loving this vibe and can't wait to try it, do your girl a quick favor. Smash that subscribe button, hit the like, and drop a comment below. Once everything is mixed up, we play the waiting game. I let mine brew for 2 full weeks, but let's do a quick check at day 3. And wow, look at the transformation. The oil is already turning into this deep mystical green. If you look closely at the bottom of the jar, you can see the herbs literally sweating out all the nutrients into the oil. I'm giving it a good stir to wake everything up, and then back into the corner it just goes. And here goes day 5. Look at this color. It's getting darker, richer. And honestly, at this point, I already knew this batch was going to be pure liquid gold. The patience is parenting, guys. Oh my God. One of the reasons why I stir is because you can see how it settles at the bottom. So you need to keep stirring your oil over and over so that it's not kept at the bottom. It needs to just come together. Day 9 check-in. I am absolutely obsessed with this color. It looks incredibly concentrated and potent, guys. But then, plot twist, I realized I forgot a whole VIP ingredient, the cloves. Gosh, how did I forget this? So, better late than never, right? In they go. Not only do cloves make this blend smell like warm, cozy dream, but they are incredible for waking up sleepy hair follicles and boosting your scalp circulation. Give them just a very, very good stir just to mix everything up, and then let it rest as usual. Finally, the moment of truth. 2 weeks later, actually it's 2 weeks and a few days, and our masterpiece is complete. Look at that deep, dark, luxurious tint. This is pure hair growth right there. Give it one final stir because those herbs have just been comfortable at the bottom, and then grab a clean cloth and then strain everything out. You can use a cheesecloth if that's what you have, but make sure that you're straining everything out. Wow, wow, wow. Look at that richness, guys. Look at that. I am in love, in love. Very nutritious Ayurvedic hair oil. So while you watch me bottle this up, let's talk science. Why is this Ayurveda a little cheat code for hair growth? Starting with the fenugreek seeds. They are the ultimate breakage barrier. They will lock in your moisture and stop the shedding in its track. You do not need to be shedding hair every other time. Hibiscus helps you in keeping your hair bouncy and shiny and super soft. And remember the neem leaves, I told you they are good for itching and dead drafts. Then the rosemary, it basically acts like a natural minoxidil. It is waking up your scalp for serious growth. And then the moringa, oh my God, this is a literal vitamin for your hair follicles. Okay? And then the cloves, they stimulate that blood flow for you, and they have an amazing scent. Once you've squeezed your oil dry, you can discard the leftover herbs. Their service is now complete, and you can now put this oil into an applicator bottle. happy with how this batch turned out. And this applicator bottle, it's a lifesaver. It lets me target my scalp directly without wasting a single drop. Plus, putting it in a dark bottle just makes it look kidogo luxury, a high-end. So yeah, that's how you make your Ayurvedic hair oil just from these herbs. You can use additional herbs that you might have, but just make sure that you're looking at how do they help your hair. And now onto the application phase. I did this hairstyle a couple of days ago, and right now my scalp is screaming for some love. TLC. I'm focusing heavily on my edges because if you've been on this channel for a minute, you know my edges and I have an emotional history, especially back in the relaxed days. They left me doing the building. So right now we're just in the restoration phase, keeping them nourished and making them just come back to life, you know. And hey, if you've watched this far, you're officially part of the family. Don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and ring that notification bell. It helps YouTube show this video to other fussy girlies who need to save their hair. And that is how you brew the ultimate DIY Ayurvedic hair oil right at home. Most of these herbs can be found at very fair prices. I think, like in my country, most of them go for less than $1. For the 50 ml, this oil is rich and nutrient dense, and it's about to be a staple in my weekly routine. I can't wait to see the results from the consistent use of this, and I hope you will be here with me. So if you love this video, give it a massive thumbs up, subscribe, and share this video with a friend whose hair needs a little TLC. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye. I am linking two videos here. One is how to make a flaxseed gel, and the other one is how to make herbal tea rinse. Bye bye. Kisses.